Is Roku Error 014 driving you crazy? You've reset the modem, factory reset the TV, and done all the usual tricks, but it's still there? So, is there any real fix for Roku Error 014? Or are we just wasting time? Well, don't give up yet. Let me show you something that has about a 50% success rate. It's not guaranteed, but trust me, it's worth trying before calling a technician. Ready? First up, let's tackle the real problem behind Error 014. The message usually says, TV connected to the network but wasn't given an IP address by DHCP. That means your Roku isn't getting what it needs from your router. So step 1. Unplug your Wi-Fi router. Count to 30. Seriously, 30 seconds makes a difference. Then plug it back in. Give your Roku another try. Still stuck? Here's the secret move. Grab your Roku remote and punch in this sequence. Home 5 times, up once, rewind twice, fast forward twice. Don't worry if your screen flashes or freezes, that's normal. After a moment, your TV should restart all by itself. Once it's back on, remember, you may need to re-enter your Wi-Fi password. If this worked, drop a comment and let me know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with anyone else fighting the Roku Error blues. Happy streaming.